Hello, welcome to another sneeze video. I'm outside today. It's not bad out. It's a little chilly. So I'm here on a beautiful early May afternoon, but I came out to the car because I had some requests. I had requests to use a handkerchief, which I couldn't find once. So I'm using a towel. And also had a request to do induced sneezing with pepper, which I have a bunch of pepper in here. Let's see what happens. Okay. This is going to be weird using pepper because I think I've sneezed like 15 times. I was getting in the car sneezing. I appreciate all the watches. You guys are... You guys are the best. And here's the handkerchief. Oh God. Oh. I know the pepper's gonna be really weird to do. But it should be fun. I'm making sure nobody can see me here or hear me. Let's do it. I'll pour a little bit into my hand. Oh my God, what am I doing? I'm sneezing enough anyways without putting pepper up my nose, but I will. Okay. Oh. Oh God. Oh, I have to sneeze. Hey! Oh. Oh. Oh, there's more. Hey! 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 Oh, man. Fuck. Excuse me. God. What the hell? It's all in this nose. I still feel the pepper. Hey! 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 You. Oh. I'll take another little swipe of it. Ow. Oh. You guys are killing me. But I'm doing it as a request. So that's cool. Hey. It's still up there. Hey. 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 Bless me. Gosh. Bless me, bless me, bless me, bless. Oh, God. I don't think my nose likes the pepper anymore. I'm getting them all out though. That part feels pretty good. It's just, God, I gotta sneeze, guys. Oh. Now I'm just gonna sit here and sneeze without talking. Ow. I think that pepper would only make this go on longer. You guys are so good. I'm going to do one more induce. There's the pepper. Bless me. Oh my gosh. I'm getting lightheaded too. Because I've been sneezing so much. Because it ticks me off. I see somebody sneeze one time. And I'm like, why can't I? Well, whatever. Oh. Okay, well, I'll be back again soon with some more. So for now, have a good night. We'll see you later.